Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from Fun to Go. We have heard a lot about this rig, and we just decided to pop over and check it out. So we real quick popped in just to make sure that all the lights were on, but we haven't looked at it in detail.
No.
So we're going to take you guys with us. It's basically a first look for us. So this is the Cedar Creek 380 Mud. And it's called Mud because it has a mud room. And it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Finally a place to put all the shoes.
And
the jackets, because
Yeah.
we have them everywhere in the RV right now. So cool. Oh. And there's storage up here too, so you can throw your coats up here when you don't need them.
Right. And then there's like a little shoe nook there.
Yep.
And you could
there's
easily...
storage under. Well, no, there's
nope.
cords there's
That's-
access to get under there.
That is the opposite of storage
Yes.
center. Yeah, and then there's plenty of room to put like an
Mat.
absorbent mat or a mud
Yeah.
mat or thing to scuff off your shoes.
And you know what you could also fit here? Like one of the IKEA shoe
Oh, yeah.
things. It would fit here because they're only about this wide.
Yeah,
That's,
that would be a lot of shoe storage.
Well, when you have 5 people.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a little step up. They have these little wooden stairs here and
Yeah.
back there. It's interesting.
And they're like
There's-
distressed.
Oh, there's more wood accents. So there's a little lift up.
Mm-hmm.
So that's their vibe they're going for.
Yep.
Okay, and then you'll notice this is a fifth wheel, but normally the stairs are on this side. This has the stairs to the front on the other side,
Yeah.
so it's like an off-camp stairs. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Pretty standard living room layout here.
I agree.
Yeah, so
Yep.
dinette, couch, island,
I do like this. I just saw
entertainment
it.
center.
So
How
if
does
you
that-
have more than 4 people,
Oh, it just has little arms that swing out.
you could have, small people here.
Yeah, and it has the pull-out here.
Yeah.
Right,
So
you
it'll
can-
stand out a bit.
Yeah, and it looks like there's
There's storage in there
doesn't
too.
lift.
There
Oh,
you
it goes
go.
like that.
Yeah.
Or, well, I see like storage in here.
I think.
Is
you
it a
can-
drawer?
It's a drawer.
Okay, gotcha.
You can put silverware in the table, which is kind of nice. I've seen some people do that. So
Yeah, that makes
like
sense.
that.
That's where you're going to be using it.
yeah, I like it.
Okay.
There we
Nice.
go. So no carpet. It's this easy
Yeah.
to clean stuff.
Okay.
And I don't hate the balances in here.
They're not bad.
Because
Everyone
they're not
is.
here.
They're kind of starting to stop doing the big vertical balances, which is what everyone complains about.
So they're just covering the day
hard-
and night shades.
And the hardware, yeah.
And I can get behind this. This is fine.
Yep. What is that?
I'm going to guess pantry.
It looks like a coffin. It is so tall.
It's pantry. 100% a pantry.
Sorry for the squeaky shoes. It's been a
Yep.
wet week.
Yes, it has.
Hidden Murphy Pantry.
What?
Hidden Murphy Pantry.
What does that mean?
Don't know. Let's figure it out.
Um.
Oh, so on the picture it shows it swinging out. Does the whole wall swing out?
Oh, I love a hidden wall.
Okay, so the entire
Oh,
entertainment
and
center.
it's like pulling me. It's got like a strap on it or something.
Holy moly.
So, come around this way because there's like, but all our hot sauce is here.
Still not enough room.
It's still not enough room. And there's, it's the HDMI cable, I guess.
Oh, that's nice actually. So
Yeah.
an HDMI port for the TV on the other side, so you could like have your switch sitting there and just plugged in permanently
Yep.
without having to fiddle with wires on the front. I like that.
This is a lot of storage, and then these little drawers come out, so your
There's,
soups wouldn't get hidden.
yeah, there's another outlet down there and some coax that nobody uses anymore.
And you could, like,
another outlet here.
Hang your apron in there.
Oh, that's or just like stand up a broom.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah.
got it's got the drunk
I know,
octopus.
I know, it's got the drunk octopus. Oh, do you guys know what she's talking about? Those look like drunk octopuses.
Like they want to fight you.
Yeah, here, let's give me the example. Yep, there you go.
Yeah, I like this.
However, from a technical standpoint,
Yes.
you can get to the back of the fireplace.
Yep.
So you can access all of this stuff very easily. All the wiring is right here. The TV is mounted. Oh, there's a bar in the middle there. So there's nothing with the
there's
TV
the-
back here other than the HDMI input.
Yep.
And there's what I call a boob light. Show you why. Yeah.
Boop.
Yep. So, okay, that's cool.
Yep.
I did not know
I like
that was
it.
in here.
Good use of
It's good use
space.
of space. Yeah, because normally behind the entertainment center, the entertainment center is either like recessed against the wall or it's just dead space. So that's a great way to use it. However, if someone's in here like playing a video game or watching a movie or whatever, and you need to get in there to get all the ingredients for dinner,
Yeah, so
pause the
angry people.
movie, you got
Yeah.
open the thing, and whatever.
Yeah.
It's nice though. I like it.
Yep.
Does this do anything? It looks like there's
It is a drawer.
It's a little tiny.
It's like a junk drawer.
Yeah.
Maybe
We
it
all,
holds
we all
the,
need junk drawers.
maybe it holds the remotes if people actually like put the remotes back somewhere.
Well, so people without children, the remotes go back where they belong. Yep.
Back where they belong, yes. Ours do not. Let me know if you have that same problem.
Go normal island.
Oh, they're nice clothes too.
The soft clothes.
Love that.
Yep.
This is not a living room where everybody's going to be hanging out to watch because there's just seating
Correct.
for two.
Yep.
Unless people want to be at the dinette watching stuff. So this would not be like a movie night living room.
But that's what the front room is for.
Okay.
So looking back this way, that's the mud room we came in through. So in a normal fifth wheel, you're going to come in the door, and the stairs to the front are going to be immediately to the right, and then you go left to come this way. So this is what I'm saying, off-camp stairs over on that side. Yep.
Let's go back and look at the rest of this room. I haven't been anywhere past this room, so I don't know what we're walking into.
Okay, yep.
I do like the little steps.
Hold on one sec. Ceiling fan.
There is a ceiling fan.
I love ceiling fans. And yeah, so there's those wood steps again, and they're open, so you could slide shoes under there, or slippers, or whatever.
If you needed to.
Yep. God, my shoes are so squeaky.
It is what it is. So there's another TV in here.
Little teeny one up at the corner.
Teeny one, and then the door that Brian's coming through right now is a pocket door, so you don't have big things swinging.
Looks like a king to me.
Yep, it's an RV king.
Yeah, so I see shelves for CPAPs.
You could definitely put a CPAP up here.
Yep, and there's an outlet down there. There's an outlet down there, and they have USB on the shelves.
Yes.
So that could
Good thinking.
work.
Good thinking. There's no storage above above this though.
There's
I'm
nothing.
kind of used to there being storage above. Ooh,
Yeah.
I'm stepping
So
on
actually, yeah, you call that out. That's a really short slide.
Yep.
They could have made that slide taller and put cabinets, but it is what it is. There's a lot of storage right here.
Yes. So like a full wardrobe. Oh, and they have it hanging so your stuff comes this way, not that way, because this is shallow.
Yeah, the bar is that way, so stuff would hang this way.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, what is that? Cradle point. Cradle point's not bad.
Okay.
I prefer pet play stuff, but cradle point's not bad.
Okay.
Anything's better than the junk they've been using for
3 years.
The last 5 years. Whose name I can't even remember because I hate it so much.
That's all right. Is it Weingard?
Yes, it's Weingard. Thank you. Big drawers. Shallow.
Deep. I was gonna say they're not very, front to back, but if you were putting most of your stuff up here, then t-shirts would fit in here fine.
This is the same thing again.
Your unmentionables would fit in there just
There's
fine.
a strap on the wall for something.
Don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. So TV here, and then is that like a heater or something?
Could be.
Okay. So then the front. No, we're in the rear.
We're in the rear.
Yeah. So this is a very large.
It's a big bathroom.
I'm gonna go with waste of space bathroom. It's too big.
It's big, but I mean it's at the back of the rig. I mean it is what it is. There's a sliding door here that you can do a stackable washer dryer.
Yeah, hookups are right there.
Yep. And then there is space to hang things. Like if you just do a single unit, a combo unit where everything happens in one, then these are nice to hang stuff to dry if you don't want to dry them.
Yeah.
But I like that it's a sliding door because then you don't have a door into this space, which is kind of nice. And then you can put your laundry stuff up here.
Yeah, storage stuff up there. Good size shower. It's like
it is a good size shower.
Yeah.
It's got the sprayers here, here, and here. If you like a full body spray.
I feel like that is the new standard.
I do too.
I think Grand Design started doing that like 2-3 years ago, and everybody else was like, "All right, we'll do it."
We'll do it too. There's a seat in here. Again, I never know how much these will hold, so.
And that one looks plastic. I mean, we've seen some really beefy ones in motorhomes that I absolutely would trust, but it looks pretty sturdy.
I mean, the kids can sit.
And it's got the fancy waffly walls. I don't know how that holds up with like real life with like soap scum and water.
I don't know. If you have one of these, let me know how easy it is to clean, because I like it when things are clean.
Yeah. And we got a double vanity, which we're not a fan of. We love double vanities in houses. Double vanities in RVs.
Also, if this was the only bathroom, I would be okay with it, because this is a rig for a bigger family, not just for two. But there is a half bath up front, so there is.
Oh, I didn't know that.
There is. I saw it when I was peeing earlier.
Gotcha.
But so like all the kids' toiletries would be in that room. If we only had the one bathroom, I could see where like this could be all the kids' stuff, and
because you've got to separate all their crap.
They're a little messy when they brush their teeth.
They only get half a tube of toothpaste in the sink. I mean, come on.
It is what it is. It is what it is. At least they're brushing their teeth, right?
Exactly. Yes.
The storage a little shallow in here, but not too bad. You could definitely fit.
Yeah.
Things you needed.
They gotta leave room for all the plumbing and stuff.
I understand.
So it's the same thing there. It's just duplicated again on this side, and then a bunch of vanity storage. There's a lot of storage in this rig. That's a lot of.
There's a lot of.
It's a lot of toilet real estate. I like that. All right, so out here, real quick, underneath the rear like master and bathroom suite, there's a really big pass through. Because you step up, the stairs are over here, and you step up. They put pegboard in the wall here.
Very nice.
And then there's a hose reel over there. And then this, oh my lord, we got to go to the back.
Okay.
There's even more back there. Okay, well, this is a common complaint with, fifth wheels, is there's not a lot of storage. Oh, crap.
So, there is
This
storage.
one's too close. Can we lift it at all?
Yeah. I'll hold it.
Holy Moses.
Whoa! We can put all the bikes back here.
Yeah, that is a ton of storage.
I even think that my wagon would like my wagon bike.
I wouldn't want to muscle that in there, but yeah, that's huge.
Oh,
yeah,
goodness. Ooh.
Lots and lots of storage. I like it. All right, back inside. So moving forward, right? We're going forward now. Yes, doors there.
We're going forward. There's
Super
the mudroom.
Mudroom.
We do have floor vents. There's not as many as some of the other ones we've been in there. All right, back up the
fridge.
stairs.
It's a double fridge. Double side by side, and I'm assuming this is like a fridge drawer. No, two freezers. Two freezers. Yep. Okay. That's a good size fridge.
Yeah, it is a good size fridge. And I like also that I can reach all the cabinets in here.
Yeah.
Had some issues with that in some of the other ones where I am very short for some of these places.
All right, so this is forward.
First of all, I love that there is a proper door.
Proper door.
That we can just close when it is.
Can you lock it from this side?
No, it's not a locking door at all.
Okay.
All right.
So this is like a playroom?
Sure.
Living room?
So it could be a playroom because.
Oh, the bathroom's there.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a wall.
Yeah.
Here, but it's a bed that comes down. We're gonna do that in a second.
Yeah, Murphy bed. Yep.
But.
There's a bunk.
That's what I said. There's a bunk.
Whoa.
There's a couch. There's a bathroom.
Okay, hold on. Let's look at the bathroom real quick, and then I will expand on the room.
It's tiny.
It's a half bath. Oh yeah, I'd be hitting my head on that wall. Wow.
You'd be hitting your head on the wall?
Yes, sweetheart.
Okay. But yeah, I mean, again, I'm
don't
only
think-
5'5". I'm not.
I don't think I've ever seen a toilet pointed away from the door. That's funny. Okay,
Anyway.
so that's a tiny little half bath.
Yeah, and this is nice and big, and I mean, it's a little claustrophobic, but if you're little, it's okay.
So I'm gonna spin around.
Okay.
Okay, so door we came through. So kitchen's here. There's a little ladder bolted to the wall, and there's like a bunk thing here over top of the mudroom. So the mudroom's down below this. There's outlets and USB over there, and an air vent, so it's not going to get all stifling nasty in there.
This is sturdy.
Yeah, this thing is. Well, I mean, it's just 8 screws.
I know, but like.
It's nice that you don't have to worry about it flopping around. Please don't yank that up.
I can't.
Okay, good.
It's very sturdy.
So coming in here, there's like a little table, sort of. Does the table fold away when the bed comes down?
I don't believe so.
The table doesn't move at all?
No, the table does not move. No.
It does.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, it collapses. There you go. Okay, I was gonna say that really eats room. So
TV would go here.
Yes, because there's coax there. There's most likely a TV mount. Yeah, that feels
Somewhere
solid.
there.
Right there in the middle. Yep. And then we've got outlets down here with USB A and C.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, that's starting to be a new thing we're seeing this year. Okay.
You ready?
Temperature sensor. If you guys don't know what these are temperature sensors for your air conditioning. Okay, so Murphy bed time. You got that by yourself?
I think so.
Okay, well, we'll find out. Or we'll be punching holes in the wall or floor. No, you're pulling.
I am, but it's
Is it locked?
it's giving lots of resistance.
Oh, is the stuff bunching up against the wall?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's not break it or hurt ourselves. There's a Murphy bed.
And it looks like a queenish size, maybe a double size.
Yeah, this might be a victim of the show because it shows lots of people come in and move stuff and it don't always know how to do it. So.
Yeah, so
Not saying we know how to do this. But
no, it's fine.
Okay, well, so there's a Murphy
So
bed.
a
It
bed
looks
that
large.
comes down here. This looks small to me. I don't need you to film me getting up into it, but I'm going to get up into it.
Are you sure?
Okay? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to get up into it.
Okay, I'm going to film it.
Okay. Great. Alrighty. I like that there's a nice beefy handle here.
Oh,
yeah,
there
this
is, yeah.
is definitely short. So this is going to be for, like, I think Ben would fit up here. Okay.
So you're 5'5"?
I'm 5'5". I do sleep all curled up like this, so I would be fine.
This is like 5, this is shy of 5 feet.
This might be 5 feet. My head is all the way up at the top here.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
But it's really wide.
I feel very secure in here, like I wouldn't roll off.
And this is sturdy.
Yeah.
Like the underneath.
And like if you wanted to put a smaller kid in here, like a 3 or 4-year-old, you could. There are like nets and stuff you can get if you're worried about them, rolling out. Okay.
Well, while she gets herself out of there, there is a slide over here with a couch. I'm assuming that pulls out, or if it doesn't, you could always put one in. Or you could take the couch out and put your own bunks in here, so you could have 1, 2, 3.
I don't know how to get out.
And then if you really, really wanted to, you could put that down. You could put 5 kids in here pretty easily. Erin's like, this is where she lives now.
I don't know how to get down.
Yep. Okay. Well, we'll end the video here, and then we'll figure out how to get you out of here.
Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. Answer some of my questions, because there's things I'm curious about. Write them down in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Bye.